The world population is growing rapidly. So is the need for electrical and electronic goods. These devices contain all kinds of raw materials, among others valuable metals. Industries get these from metal mines, but more and more they use secondary, recycled materials. Especially in emerging economies, metal recycling has become an important business. A large informal sector has emerged that employs many workers. They do not always receive proper education nor proper training and protection. This is Sawitri. She disassembles cell phones in Dharavi, India without protection. It's the only way to help her family. She is pushed to harm the natural environment and her own health. Carlos wanders through the streets of Lima, Peru in the middle of the night. He illegally collects waste and is seen as a social outcast. Mustafa is only 11 years old. He works at a scrap metal yard near Accra in Ghana. He can't go to school, and it looks as if he'll never be able to escape the hazardous work environment. International experts and stakeholders have now decided to tackle these problems. They were brought together by the World Resources Forum with support from the Swiss government. They have created the Sustainable Recycling Industry's Roundtable and developed the Guidance Principles for the Sustainable Management of Secondary Metals, an ISO process. The 5 guidance principles for improving recycling practices are enabling safe, healthy and equitable working conditions, building local community relations and resilience, conserving and protecting the environment and natural resources, improving recovery of secondary metals, implementing a sustainable management approach. The guidance principles are important because they can also ensure a credible traceability of the recovered metals. Manufacturers of products that contain recycled metals all over the world need solid guarantees that these are sustainably produced. This is good for the economy, the environment, and the people. Waste management practices will be improved and living conditions of poor communities will become better. The guidance principles offer a gradual approach for implementing the several steps. For example, Sawitri's boss was given 1 year, a reasonable period, to identify occupational health and safety risks and to promote improvements. Now he provides the required equipment and facilities to enable safe and healthy working conditions. After having registered as a formal collector, Carlos no longer has to roam the streets at night. He's a proud and respected worker with a uniform and a future. After joining a program for working children, Mustafa can go back to school. He now wants to learn more and help to build up his country. If everybody uses the guidance principles, then we can all continue enjoying our devices, knowing that we are creating a success story. Do you want to be part of this story? You are most welcome to contact us to learn more about the guidance principles and join the Sustainable Recycling Initiative.